because I equal fun.
Carmedia.
Here we are in Cusco, Peru, and we are about to head out on another trip to Machu Picchu. I've been to Machu Picchu so many times, every which way you could possibly imagine, and over the years I've come up with some really awesome itineraries. So today in this video, I'm going to take you on one of my favorite itineraries from start to finish. It's a 6-day tour and it maximizes the best of Cusco, the Sacred Valley, and Machu Picchu. It gives you enough downtime and it gives you enough time to take in all the sites at your own pace. Machu Picchu in Peru itself is based on human accomplishment, down to the discovery of Machu Picchu by Hiram Bingham in 1911. So getting to Machu Picchu should make you feel gratified when you get there. So you don't want to be ushered around by other tour guides, because that is going to damper your time and your experience, which is why you should do it yourself. So with a little help from the Peru Guru, let's jump into this awesome trip to Machu Picchu in 6 days. Vamos! Psh. It's cool to be up here in the clouds, guys. Shall see you soon. Ciao. Here we are, heading up to the thermal baths. This is my absolute favorite way to end the trip to Machu Picchu. You cannot get a better trip ender than this. Pure relaxation, it's absolutely awesome. 100-degree waters, you cannot get any better. That's a wrap on one of my favorite itineraries that sums up the best of Cusco, the Sacred Valley, and Machu Picchu. Step out of the ordinary, subscribe to Cart Media. Let's go on tour. I shall see you soon. Ciao. Psh.